All right. Shown on the video here at the right, I have been machining this part on my small router, my CNC router. So I was starting with this stock, and then I used similar settings for all the operations in general. I have been used 5000 RPM on the spindle, 900 millimeter per minute for the cutting feed rate, as well as for the lead in, the lead out, same parameter for the ramp, 200, plunge feed rate 200 as well. So this part is mainly counters and holes. So it is a pretty simple one. I just want to check with you guys how this thing had been programmed. So there is well, not much to show more than the videos at the right. I will simulate this so you can see the simulation of the entire process. A little bit more speed, please. There you go. So starting with the contouring, this material has an interesting and very interesting behavior. So when I'm doing, let's say, rough cutting, I use climbing, as on CNC it is more convenient. It helps the machine to move easier, and only on the finishing cuts, and as well as for these circular counters that requires more precision, I'm using conventional cutting or machining. So I did all this first using the externals, because I was clamping at the center with some pre-drill holes that are for shoulder bolts, and then remove those and clamp at the outside of the part. So it is let's say 2 stages of holding the part and then weld finishing. There you go. So that's how it happened, and I have to say that I'm happy with the result. I'm not adding a lot of detailing on the clamping or fixturing, stuff like that. Something that the project simply doesn't need it, because it was not that complex. It is fairly simple. But there you have it. The material of the part is a polyethylene, and the flute is a 6 millimeter diameter mill, end mill. And I use this single tool all over the entire part. So it's something that I like to do when doing designs, trying to make sure that everything can be done with one tool. Indeed, this is the larger diameter that my machine can hold. So, for example, one thing that I had to do is this step in here as well as in here, because the effective flute of cutting was not long enough. It was around 15 millimeter. Let me check. This part is 14, yes. So the effective flute is 15 millimeters. So in the entire part, the height is 19 millimeters. So it was not going to be possible to machine with in one single step. I had to do these 2 step downs. That's pretty much it. I hope you find it useful for your machining. Happy machining. Thank you. Bye.